So lamb chops, great favorite for any grill, right? And people buy pre-marinated. Don't know why. It's super easy to just do the bare minimum and level up your lamb chops just straight from the shop. So yeah, we got lamb chops, no seasoning, nothing on there. I'm gonna show you a nice, easy, super fast recipe how to prepare this. We're gonna do a chimichurri, and because it's lamb, our chimichurri today is gonna have parsley, which is a must. You're gonna add a little bit of coriander, and then of course mint, because it's lamb, and mint goes really well with lamb. For me in chimichurri, it's gotta have some onions, a little bit of garlic, and of course, lots of olive oil, and then some salt. So while we do that, we're gonna do two things. We're gonna first put my coffee on the grill, Arabic coffee, in the fire. I'm a sucker for coffee, so if you want, we can show you a recipe on that too. But let's get our lamb chops, nice French trim, on the fire already. Get it going, and then we can do our nice marinade, which we can marinate while on the grill, and then have a little sauce to drizzle after too. And then we can get on with our chimichurri. Okay, good. So lamb chops on the fire, they're getting nice grilled there. I'm gonna start with the chimichurri. Very easy. Get an onion. I like red onions because they got a bit of sweetness to it. Got 8 chops, so half an onion is plenty. Top and tail. Keep that for later. Remove the skin. And you can even pop the skin in the fire to give a nice smoke for your lamb chops. So chop your onions, nice sharp knife helps. You want a nice fine chop. Sharper the knife, the easier it is to do. And that's enough. Now give it a nice fine chop. Next, bit of garlic. Crack the garlic. This will make it nice and easy to peel. Again, you can take these skins, pop them in the fire, give some nice smoke to the lamb, and give you an opportunity to check on your lamb. Let's give them a turn. Oh, look at that. Beautiful crust already. That's what we're looking for. Get that one with a little bit of space there. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Look at that. Give that one a little bit more time. So you crush your garlic. Again, nice rough chop first with your knife, and then you can come back, give it a chop here. If you want to make your garlic even finer, you can add a little bit of salt on there. Or you can take your knife and just squeeze the garlic nicely, release all those flavors out. Push it down with your knife. You can see it's like smushing, mincing, crushing the garlic. Crushing the garlic very nicely. And then nice into the bowl. Lovely olive oil in there. Don't be shy with the olive oil. That's it. Cover the onions nicely. Salt, important here. And chimichurri needs black pepper too. Check on your lamb again. Don't forget, you don't want to burn it. Getting some nice color on there now. Come back to the seasoning. Chimichurri, it's always good with a little bit of chili. If you don't like heat, you can use red capsicum. But for me, I like it spicy. So I'm gonna add some chili in there. And this is gonna give a nice, little bit of a kick to your chimichurri. You can always remove the seeds if it's too much of a kick for you. Crush it nicely. You can use whatever chili you like. Jalapeno is going to give you a really good flavor too. And then finally, some washed greens, We have some parsley, some mint, some coriander, ready washed. We're just gonna fold everything up together, nice tight bowl. Like I said, take your time, nice sharp knife, keep your fingers out the way. You get your herbs in. You got the greens in, give it a nice mix. You can see it's a little bit dry here. 2 more ingredients in here. We add more olive oil, but we also need some vinegar, some acidity to cut through the fattiness of the meat and to add some nice flavor to the greens. Grape vinegar works well. Apple cider, if you don't have that, both can do fantastic. I want a bit more oil because I want it nice and saucy. Don't be shy with the oil, as I said. You want it to just cover. Look at that, like a nice salsa. And that is almost there. I think a touch more oil. There we go. That's nice. So we just need to give it a nice little taste to see if the seasoning's good. Touch more vinegar. Spice level's where I want it to be. More salt. And touch more black pepper. And that's adding beautiful freshness to your lamb. And it's very easy, very fast. Lamb hasn't even cooked properly yet. We'll put a little bit on the lamb already. Get that flavors on the meat. Flare up the fire nicely. Get some char going on your lamb. Look at that. Beautiful. Good, so our lamb's ready to go. We'll get them on our serving dish, tray, whatever we want to call it. Ready in under 10 minutes. I'll put a little bit more on the side there. Finish off. Nice bit of salt. And we're ready to go.